Biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel ka jan gwas me de kon ler ma de konoling kan konore ler kana me mi jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel na gajeno jender je nyuga nasen ko ken awraje bana linga rach jenye dang badekten kontin techurien bare wikana ser ka chiwa ka kobo chaga kulo lor netin kontin la jejen bor ka law Nuer en winemi bana raje dana chalat gwas me major general lure kong bana jalin ka do ben chicken jenti ti chicken ka lor ka jere wi ka Juba ko kan jeni shi ka chobre wi ka Juba antame bana shu nenten kon batin content cha lor la de ni SSPDF bana shoot ken bana ka lingwas me nyok bu kon ling ben no en wuda dan en la kwer wai amire wi ka law Nuer en winemi chala do jan ba chawre wucha ka Juba ba bana tin kon tin chiren lat gwas bana ka linkel gorno bi nywa nas ko ken Guay Karajan Chalat Guas Major General Lure Kong Shalad no Shidini SSPDF Chika Shubre which Kajuba and Walla Kashanga Wal Jok Kapai Jok Ron Kina Dangro the Jandangro with the DH Karaman Lerkan and Tesla and Telan Medida Quer Jich and Bor Ki Quer Wyami Kalo Nuer Ka Akobo Kabong Payam Jaramadan and Chinati T K Jenti Tinishika Ken Kadobe Dan Shikuri and Barka Jere Kanasser ken dini toto ke dini te shirodian barre kurandit gwaze chawi yara du chaje dektin jechen borre wech kanaser gwaze chikinyinten ke jech SSPDF ken dang badak ken SSPDF tt chika chobre wech ka Juba ke mal ka rayana chala te general lure kong kel karaman la kwer jechen bor ke kwer way ami manchal ke kwat nyang banang Simnen yen moka video me gwadran chik shuptin ude me je lure kong ke general lure kong mala ler la kalat ka deni SSPDF gwas me di yen chunen kontin cha gwarpin gwas me ka warganial gwadan lar jen wo shanga wal diok pa diok ron kina dangaro jen dangaro de die jen shanga dan shupka ke kwan nyang banang YAMI leader Major General Michael Shirey ramen diodian gwas me First Lieutenant Garang Walwal, Ramangwandian Daniel, Ramandian Moody, Rambakalian Lungar, Ramabarodian Guazame, Chola Arop, Rambadagdian Madol, Ramabangwandian Joseph. Ken Dang Bangwandial, Yamu Ramdan la Jich, Querjin Borwaja within Bukane Dang Badakarodian. So Chalado Ken Chikachup, Rewichin Winami Kajuba, Quaquinimadan brought a lot getting contin Charlotte Guazame. Kaman shala da wakan shaka lura Ramadan la Miss Marlene David Coin, chairperson of Akoba County Emergency Evacuation Team, Kel Gab, former member of Parliament, Kabong County, the function of Akoba County, Jonglei State, Mr. Paul Kunboy, deputy chairperson of Akoba County Emergency Evacuation Team, Kennedy Tikane Contin Chine Tichikan Kalurga, Jan Point there. In general, lure concurrent content cha net content shirodian bare kurandit re wikanasar tejuka kobo kan chiganang re wicha kajuba money banje chuling ogwa kadobadan and chalat kijam. On behalf of the SSPDF command, the SSPDF spokesperson would like to announce to our rank and file and the public at large on the successful extraction from Bong of one servicemen that were displaced from Nasa Town, Nasa County in Greater Upper State. The servicemen, accompanied by the leader of the Nuer YAMI, Mr. Kwat Nyang Banak, arrived at Juba International Airport at noon today on 13 March 2025. The servicemen were received by SSPDF spokesman, which is the General Lure Kong and Ms. Marlene David Coin, chairperson of Akoba County Emergency Evacuation Team and former member of Parliament for Bong County, defunction Akobo County, Jonglei State, and Mr. Paul Kun Boy, deputy chairperson of Akobo County Emergency Evacuation Team. A Canadian contact over tea and Biataka Malban Jumradian. Bye bye.